Well, my program was human rights, and I had the most amazing time in the Excellence Center. I felt very, very welcomed here from everybody.
I've been here as a part of the teaching English program, right? And it's been an amazing experience to meet the kids and talk to them in English about their life, about their Palestinian culture, about food, about everything, about their families.
Well, I chose to come to Palestine because I wanted to experience firsthand what is happening here. Just to see with my own eyes, not through someone else's social media, or just to take my own conclusions of how Palestinians live.
My experience here has been overwhelmingly positive. Everybody here is nice, whether they're in the city or at the center. It was really fun volunteering and teaching different groups of kids. I'd say my message to anyone coming here is to just be ready to make friends, be ready to meet new people. Everybody here will welcome you with open arms and just ready to get to know you.
I teach some English, I learned Arabic, I visited the refugee camps, I visited the old city. We had so many amazing experiences. I would do it all over again.
I decided to come to Palestine because I'm really close to the Palestinian cause. I really wanted to see everything and experience everything. See everything with my eyes and experience everything on my own skin, and yeah.
Safety-wise, I felt so safe here in Hebron. So I have never felt safer, and the people inspire you to stay here. It's really the people that make you feel safe, Palestinian people.